Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this short video, I want to talk about ignore extents and how it is working. Imagine you have this scene, and as you see, if you press Z or Z from your keyboard, everything will zoom extends in viewport. But if you select an object and press Z, zoom on selected objects. But imagine now you're trying to work on this region, and every time if you press Z or Z or selecting zoom extent, all your objects will zoom like that. And it is hard to focus on your subject. So each time I have to select and hold on the Alt or Option key and deselect rest of object and press Z, and it is taking too much time and usually is boring. To ignore from zooming, select your objects you don't want to be in zoom extent. Simply go to Display tab from Command Panel and enable Ignore Extents. Now if I press Z, these objects won't be extended in the zoom, and simply you could focus on your subject. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.